We try very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we love receiving 5-star reviews. We're so thrilled about our latest review that we'd like to share it with you right now. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what agree. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.